Hey, what's up, Zilliqa Holder? So, what's the new target of Zilliqa? Can they hit the target? And what's my prediction to upcoming days? They gone up or they fails down? And what's my opinion to this selling time, holding time, or buying time? Everything in this video is going very special for everyone. But first of all, if you can see here, my friend, the crypto market especially very badly falls down in the first days, and also this time they're moving up like a rocket. They're starting again a change occur and positive. Exactly, this is good for you. And also Zilliqa also like in the same situation. You can see here this time, my friends. Let's get started. First of all, I do a production, and after that I told you a target, and in the last I tell you my opinion to this is selling time and holding time. My friend, first of all, the prediction is very important to in upcoming days. They're moving up or they falls down, so keep watch this video. Okay, my friend, you can see here this is the last 24 hour, and you can see here, my friend, if we draw a chart, then exactly we understand to, and those days they're moving up or they falls down. My friend, after a high jump, you can see here they falls down, and after a jump they fails they fails down, and after a fails they jump again. My friend, this is the circulation. If you can see here, this is a circulation, and I hope in upcoming days they also go up, and this time you can see here they falls down in the last 2 or 3 days, 3 hours. My friend, I think they falls down. If you can see here, my friend, this if this circulation they're moving up, then I hope in upcoming days they also moving up. My friend, you can see here this is the circulation of every type of currencies. To after a fails they take a high jump, and after a jump they fails down again. So this is the circulation, my friend. If you can check out this point is not a big fail. And upcoming days you can see here they also take a very high jump and very low fail. So I hope Zilliqa is gone in the moon, my friend. You can see here they change occur plus 3.93% going up. So this is very good change. This is not a big change, but this is good change, my friend, not a bad. Okay, this time the price target as half US dollar, and this time they can hit, I think, 0.2 US dollar. They hit it easily, my friend. So I hope, my friends, Zilliqa in upcoming days they're moving up, they are moving in the moon. So this chart can show you to they're going moon in upcoming days. So please understand to them moving in upcoming days. If you have any plan to buy more, then I think this is good time to you buy it. And the target as 0.5 US dollar, my friend. The target is 0.5 US dollar, and this month I hope they can hit 0.5 US dollar at this month. So what you say, please tell me in a comment box to they can hit it easily or not. Please share your opinion. My opinion is that to please hold it, don't sell it. And please, if you have any plan to buy more, then I think this is good time to you buy it, because the price is very cheap, the price is very less. I hope they give you very good profits in upcoming days. So thanks for watching, Zilliqa Holder. Please like and subscribe this channel for latest news and updates. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.